Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to follow one of my videos and is having trouble. And you can see the trouble. These are kind of like interlocking rings, and I tried it. And so if you take, the best way to do it is take the parallel dimension tool, and we need to get the top of this ring to the top of that ring. So I'm going to hold down the control button after I start moving it, and we need 6.54. And it kind of makes me feel good because when I went to his nudge duplicate distance, he had 6.54, even ran it out a little bit. So he's trying what I suggested. But if we control D and make a duplicate of this guy and move it up, you can see the problems. The drawing's not too bad in itself, with the exception of these couple of parts are off. And we can kind of prove that by measuring them, or just use the Smart Fill tool to fill in this part. And I'm going to nudge. So this part needs to go up in here when you duplicate it. So we're going to fill in that part, and then look at them side by side. You can't really tell it much a difference, but we can tell that this thing is 1.367. This one is 1.443. And we can kind of prove it further by moving this out of the way. We're going to left click. Let's right click one of them in black. Right click the other one in red, and then hit P and put them in the center of the page. That's how far they're off. They need to, when you're drawing, you need to be dead on for this to work. Now, this is a pretty easy fix, I think, and I'm actually gonna, because he's gone through all this work, I'm gonna try to figure out what would be the best way to repair this without starting over. So I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.